Welcome to our video. Suggestpedia is a language teaching method designed to make learning more effective by harnessing the power of positive suggestion and emotional engagement. The method uses a relaxed classroom environment combined with music and art to reduce stress and make language learning more enjoyable and efficient. Georgy Lozanov, a Bulgarian psychiatrist and educator, was the pioneer behind the development of Suggestpedia in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Suggestpedia began in Sofia, Bulgaria, where Dr. Lozanov first experimented with integrating suggestion techniques into education and therapy. Its core principles rely on removing psychological barriers and fostering confidence in students, enabling them to access untapped learning potential. The approach incorporates music, especially Baroque and classical pieces, which are played during lessons to stimulate the mind and enhance memory retention. Drama, role-play, and games are crucial elements in Suggestpedia, making lessons engaging and activating both hemispheres of the brain. Lozanov believed that the subconscious mind could accelerate learning when the environment was nurturing and the student felt secure and relaxed. There are three main phases in Suggestpedia: deciphering, concert session, and elaboration, with the concert session featuring active and passive listening. Practitioners like Ludmila Kojevnikova and Violeta Vasileva have contributed to spreading and refining Suggestpedia in various educational contexts. The method emphasizes a holistic approach to teaching, engaging auditory, visual, and kinesthetic learners through a variety of sensory experiences. Suggestpedia claims to improve language acquisition rates 3 to 5 times faster than traditional teaching methods. One of its reference books is Suggestpedia and Outlines of Suggestology by Georgy Lozanov, which details the theory and principles behind the method. Another important resource on the topic is The Superlearning Revolution by Sheila Ostrander and Lynn Schroeder, discussing applications of Suggestpedia. A criticism of Suggestpedia is that its scientific validity and its extraordinary claims of accelerated learning have not always been reliably replicated in research. Despite criticism, the emotional well-being and motivation it fosters in learners have influenced many modern educational approaches worldwide. UNESCO recognized Suggestpedia in 1978 as a superior teaching method, though its widespread adoption has been mixed due to skepticism. Teachers trained in Suggestpedia must themselves embody the method's principles, building a supportive and creative classroom culture. In recent years, elements of Suggestpedia have contributed to accelerated learning programs and holistic education models internationally. Today, Suggestpedia inspires educators to rethink traditional methods, showing that creating a joyful, supportive climate can transform the process of learning languages. Thanks for watching the video.